Welcome to this week's episode of Cooking at Home. We're glad you're here. We appreciate that you're here. We welcome you into our home. We're glad to be cooking with you today. Today's the day we cook. Okay, here's the real deal. I talked my wife into letting me film her cook her corn casserole. The deal is that if I clean the bathroom, because it's around Christmas time, we have people coming over, that she would let me film her cooking. Okay, you got it. Like I said, I'm just kind of getting started at this, so it's kind of fun to film something and have some content, so I hope you enjoy it. Always remember to like and subscribe.
Smells delicious.
So now we're just bringing our Midwest corn casserole over to my mama's house for a little Christmas Eve fixings. Midwest corn casserole, yes. loves good stuff.